backyard kitchen. Ahana komono.
Should all the family be based by responsibility or gender?
Say sikao, enye sikao, obema, ane 3.
Bema, busieti.
Yes.
Busieti in chess, I won't have one around.
Yeah, I will win some.
Yeah.
When I was the head of the family, Unisika, Utufukra Yinti.
We get reality saying, them are the head of the family.
Sir.
No one said, you see the title, leave money tough and not so.
For responsibility, it depends
On responsibility.
And a training to us.
When the Sika money be there, to be a bar, we must be a so we satisfy with selfishness. And now with money, no one satisfied with Banwa. People don't disregard.